Going to show you a small Michaels haul. These I already showed you in the previous video that I bought to start my rabbit sampler, cross stitch sampler again. I found this, which is Diamond Top Coat Mod Podge, which I didn't know that they had. And if they'd had more than one, I would have bought it, or if they'd had a larger one, I'd probably bought it. But they did not. They only had this one in that whole row. All of the other rows were completely full, except for this one, which kind of sucked, but that's okay. I have never done tie-dye, and my husband loves tie-dye shirts way more than maybe most people, but he loves them. And so I bought this one-step tie-dye Moody Blues kit, which I'm going to try out, and I will film that when I do it. I've, like I said, never done tie-dye, so it'll be interesting to see how it turns out. And it shows on the back that you just kind of wrap it and let it sit for 6 to 8 hours, and then you rinse it. So I don't know, we'll just see how this works. I also picked up a couple of the Strathmore watercolor pads, and this one is the 5.5 by 8.5. I really love to do watercolor, and so those were on sale. They were buy one get one 50% off, so I purchased that. I also bought a couple of really shiny glitter 12 by 12 sheets, and I will show you why I did that here in just a minute. But these were really pretty. They were pricey though. I think they were like $2 and I don't know, 50 cents a sheet, which was really high. But my plan is to get backgrounds, I guess I want to say, and I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. I'm going to turn a light on here, see if I can get you to see the shininess on them, the glitter. Pretty. This one's really thick. This one is like paper thin, but it doesn't really matter, I don't think, for a background. And I will show you the reason why I got those really quick. I know it's not really supposed to be an unboxing video, but I'm going to show you anyway. I was going to wait till Halloween, but you know, I don't know. I can't wait. So I got this diamond painting kit from Amazon, and these are, I think, like 6 by 6 pictures, and they are Halloween. I thought they would make really cute cards. Little 6 by 6 cards so that I can, you know, mail them to my grandkids. So I'm going to open this up really quick. And so these are the diamonds, and they have different size diamonds. I don't know if I would call them necessarily specialty, but they do have different sizes of diamonds. And pink is the theme. I'm a pink gal, and that's what I'm going to do for this one. They had some that were, I don't know, black and gold and green, and I may get those for my grandsons, but this one was specifically for my granddaughter because she loves diamond painting. And these were so cute, really cute. Haunted house, you know, and I don't know how they'll turn out, but like I said, you know, I'm getting them to make, this is Happy Halloween, to make cards. So I will want to get that done well before Halloween. I don't know if I'll start at the first of the month or I'll start it before that. I don't know. Maybe early Halloween. If I have Christmas in August, I can have Halloween in September. Who knows? But that's why I bought this paper, so that when these get finished, I'll just cut them down and use this Mod Podge to seal them, and then put them on large cards. But I will definitely show you when I get those ready to go. Maybe I'll do one and then, you know, make the card and then show you. But anyway, that's why I bought the black paper from Michaels. I probably won't get 4 out of each sheet, which is going to be disappointing because that's a lot of wasted paper. But you know, I can always use that for something else. If I would have thought about that and really measured this beforehand instead of just thinking 6 by 6, which, you know, I have a problem doing that. But I can still get at least one out for my granddaughter, and then maybe get another set, the black and green and orange, and send to my grandsons. Thanks for watching.